In this video, I want to unbox a Cyberpunk mask that I bought from China. Now this mask is around 333 RMB, which translates to around 45 US dollars. So without further ado, let's have a look at this. So this is the Cyberpunk mask, and let's have a look at the front view of it. So this is how it looks like, okay, front view. I will also show this on the other camera. So this is how the mask looks like, okay. It has some sort of like ear accessories over here, and then there's also the wrapping over here and two plastic wrapping here for the hair, okay. So it comes with different colors, different design, and I chose this one because I like the look of it. And so let's put this back over here. So this is the mask. So as you can see in this mask, there's this full face covering that is plastic, and then there's actually an LED here as well that I will show you shortly, and you also have LED lights over here. So how does these LED lights work is that there's a button on the bottom. So when I click on this once, it turns on. Right, so this is actually pretty cool. So these are kind of modular in the sense that there's actually some screw over here that you need to screw it tightly in order for it to fit well. So all of this mask is modular. And then there's this headband so that you can actually put it on your head. But one of the really cool thing about this is that there's actually a power button here to the left hand side, which is over here. And when I click it for a bit, the LED panel will show up. Here you can see that there's actually an LED light and it looks really nice. So in order to pair this Cyberpunk mask, you can use an Android or iOS application. And for Android, what we need to do is that we can download an application and then turn on the Bluetooth to connect with this device. So for Android, for some reason, it needs my location data and also Bluetooth in order to connect with this device. So right now, the device is not connected yet. So what I'll have to do is that I'll have to turn on my location data in order for the Bluetooth to connect with this device. So now let's press connect device, and then it should be able to find this device, okay? Successfully connected. So once I have this connected, what I can do is I can select different designs and then play it or even edit these designs, right? You can see the heart that's being shown right now. So I can also change it to like a rubber ducky type of design. And so finally, there's actually a few features. There's a graffiti mode where you can actually go to the application, you can draw on the application, play it, and then it will show up on the LED screen, okay? I can go back here, and then there's an animation which I think you can upload some animation using images and so on in order for it to show up here. And the really cool thing is that there's also an audio function where you can put songs to play it, but you can also, what you can do is you can click here so that it detects the sound, and then it will show you like a music mode. So this is like a music mode that is actually pretty interesting as well. And then when we go back, we can also have images where you upload an image so that it shows on the screen, photo as well, and also text, so you can type text in order for it to show. If you go to here, there's a globe icon, and this globe icon is actually what other people has done in the past, right? So you can actually download all of this, and you can see that the download rates are like at 10,000. So it means that maybe there are more than like 10,000 people buying this type of LED mask and then using it, right? So say for example, if you like this roll eyes, right? What I can do is that I can click into it, I can play it on the device, and then you can see it rolling its size. If I like it, I can press download it, and then downloads, and I can use it, right? So this device, I believe, is 32 pixel times 16. So the width will be 32 pixel times 16 pixel on the height. Now the thing is, when I bought this device, I also have a mask that I can wear so that I can cover my whole face and the immersion actually looks better. But I will not be using this since I haven't washed this. This just came in the mail. What I will be doing is that I'll be showing you how I can put this with my glasses, okay? So you can see my face right now. I do have glasses right now. And what I can do is that I can wear this even with my glasses. So let me show you how this thing works. There's this headband at the back, and I can put it here. And then now, I'm not sure you can hear me, but I'm actually wearing this, and I can click the button here. So that's how this mask works. Not sure how it looks like right now. Probably really weird, but I think it's actually a pretty cool thing if you're doing some sort of cosplaying, if you're doing like a DJing, that kind of stuff. So I'll try to remove the cover here right now so you get this full view without like a plastic. So I can look out here very clearly. I can interact with my surroundings. It's not all covered, but it is quite tight on my face. Maybe I have a more chubby face, but I think it's actually pretty cool. So let me turn off all the lights here so that you can have an idea of how it looks like, okay? Now I'm relatively in a pretty dark location. I'm not sure how it looks like, but hopefully it looks pretty cool, alright? Alright, so that's pretty much the review. I hope you like it. Look forward to the next unboxing video. See you guys later.